Okay, it's time. The grout has had 72 hours to seal. I put the sealer on 3 days ago. I let the water run for 2 or 3 minutes before I put the shower head on. But yeah, I know I need to, that's just some primer. I need to texture and paint. Ignore that, okay? Dun, dun, dun. This is awesome, okay? This is awesome because the water goes into the drain as it should. It doesn't cool up, and when I shut the water off, it all goes into the drain. So I'm super happy, and it's big enough to where the water's running right now with the shower head pointed all the way towards the back wall, and I'm not even getting wet. This is fan-freaking-tastic. I am so happy. This could have gone so wrong because it's in a manufactured home. Things can go wrong. But yeah, I gotta fix that paint. Put up a little towel bar, giant mirror, new sink. It had a fiberglass sink. It was gross. Oh, you can't see that. New floor. Let's see. What else? Oh, new floor out here. New kitchen floor, transition strips, a whole lot of chaos and mess from construction. But I'm happy. Oh, and this door is getting replaced because my sister and her husband covered it in stickers. And right now I am getting the lattice out and flattening the walls. So this room getting painted. It was my son's room. He has migraines. So dark colors, dark curtains, just, getting it to where he can relax and get rid of those headaches. Anyway, super stoked. Just super stoked because that was a project. That was a freaking project. So many things could have gone wrong and it went perfectly. So, yay. Happy. I did keep the old cabinets. I put a fresh coat of paint on them. They still don't look perfect. Like you can see there's, it's not perfect. They are going to get another coat of paint, but it is what it is. I do get some people coming in asking me, well, why are there not double sinks? The only way to do double sinks would be to basically this counter, I would have to not just raise it, but I would have to extend it and then run the new plumbing underneath to add that second sink, which I don't know. In this bathroom, it might have worked. I was going to buy a whole continuous countertop with 2 sinks, or to put 2 sinks, but the one I wanted was 10 inches too long. And I was on a serious budget in this house, replacing all the floors, building a whole new bathroom, and trust me, it was a whole new bathroom. The subfloors, nothing was salvageable. Well, some of the walls we were able to keep, but the subfloors in the bathroom and in the closet were completely destroyed. The laundry room subfloor completely destroyed. Kitchen subfloor completely destroyed. All the finish flooring in the house had to be replaced. It was 20-year-old shag carpeting, red shag carpeting, like holy I'm happy that I'm nearing the end of this. This house is already on the market. People are coming through. Not right this second. It's night. It's, I don't know, 8:30. But it's, as soon as this is done, I'm on to the next because I had just finished one while I was working on this. And now I start my next one, I don't know. I get back in town in a week, and then I have some grout to do in the kitchen. I got baseboards in the bathroom. I got a few baseboards in the kitchen. You know, I really need to get this popcorn down. That's high on the priority list because I hate popcorn. I just removed all the popcorn at my mother's new house. It's awful, but in here it won't be as bad as the other house. The other house had such high ceiling vaults that it made it quite the chore. In here at least won't be as horrible. It's just holding your arms over your head for that long kind of sucks. Anyway, that's it.